Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another synthetic wig review for you guys. So this is a wig that I bought myself. I did I think a haul or something from Wig Types probably a couple of weeks ago, and I just never got around to reviewing this wig. So the wig I'm going to be reviewing for you guys is from Zury Sis, and this is their wig in the style Talia. And I saw this wig on Rhythm and Beauty. That was like the first time like I even knew about her channel. And then recently I saw it on Disastrous Beauty, and I really enjoyed her review because she was very enthusiastic and hype about it, and the wig is only $14. So I was like, $14, that can't hurt. So I decided to pick it up in two colors. Here is what Talia looks like on the stock card. The specs about this wig: it is a soft Swiss lace wig. It has a 4x4 free parting, and the colors that I have this wig in is SOM RT CALI, which is this color here. Beautiful color mix. Zury Sis does a really good job with their colors. So it has a dark root and then it fades into this copper fuchsia color. Very beautiful color. And then I have a number 2. Now I've already cut the lace and tweezed the hairline on the number 2. So I'm gonna show you guys what Talia looks like fresh out the pack, because I haven't tweezed this one. The 4x4 area of you get your 4x4 area of parting space here, and it has that mesh material, and then you get lace all around the front there. You get a comb on the far right and left side, and a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. So I'm just gonna try it on so you guys can see what it looks like before any manipulation or anything like that. All right, as you guys can see, this is a short wig, and a lot of you guys on my channel tend to prefer like everyday lengths and stuff like that, which I understand. I like them all, but I think this length just right off the bat is very cute, and I like how much body this wig has. Some wigs don't have body like that, but I do like how they layered it and everything, and I think this color is very flattering. I'm 6 feet tall, so that means I have a longer neck than, you know, the average woman or person. So this falls on me about, I'm gonna say about 10 inches. But I will say, because this is a free parting wig, you're gonna have to mold your part to whatever side that you want it to be on. And this is what the hairline looks like. Now, this wig is only $14, so I think this is a great wig to practice like customizing and stuff before you get into the more expensive synthetic wigs, or before you venture into human hair frontals and stuff like that. So this is a good wig to get to practice on. It's just so cute already. So what I'm gonna do is, I know I'm gonna probably wear this as a side part, but even before I get to that point, I am going to tweeze this hairline to thin it out just a bit, because it's just very round and I don't like that. You could just part it and go on about your business, but I'm gonna tweeze it on camera for you guys, so this part is gonna be sped up. Alright, so I have tweezed the hairline more than a little bit. So this is all the hair that came from the hairline. So of course this wig is only $14, and You know, with synthetic wigs, a lot of times with the hairlines, with the exception of, you know, the recent higher quality synthetic wigs, their hairlines tend to be very dense. So I thinned it out, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. It's thinner. I could tweeze some more if I wanted to, but I'm not. I don't think I am. Maybe. Alright guys, so I'm back and I have applied Talia to my head. So and I also took pictures like in natural lighting and everything, and I'm gonna have some of those pictures inserted in this video. So just right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you guys, I really do like this wig. I feel like this is a wig that can be a good style for, you know, younger people and older, more mature people as well. It can go either way. It depends on how you wear it. This could be a work wig, but I think this could also be just like for dressing up or something like that. It just depends on how you accessorize it. So I do recommend customizing the hairline just a bit. You don't have to, you do whatever you want to your own wig, but I do feel like it makes the hairline look a lot more natural. Like this to me looks like a closure or like a frontal because I tweezed the hairline, and then I just kind of did a little bit of baby hair just in this area. And once I put my pressed powder on the hairline and in the parting space, it just made it look even more natural. And I'm very impressed with this wig, especially because it's $14 and it's a 4x4 wig, which to me gives you a lot more versatility. And you can wear it as a middle part and a left side part, but I like my right side parts, and I haven't molded to a right side part, so it's not gonna stay. But as you can see, I'm sure this is cute because I've seen somebody else wear it as a middle part and it was pretty. So you can wear it as a middle part if you want to. You just have to mold it. Love this color combination. They did a really good job with that, the dark roots, and then it goes into the fuchsia and copper mix, and then it looks like it's more like orange towards the bottom. Now, as far as the dark root is not throughout this wig. It's just kind of like at the top. As you can see, it's not throughout, but that doesn't bother me. I guess if you did put it up and like pinned it to one side, you would start to see that separation, but you could always do use a permanent marker if you wanted to do something like that. All around, I think this is I would definitely recommend this wig because the price point is good. The versatility of it being a 4x4 synthetic wig is great. And the versatility of customizing. You have the potential to customize this to make this look really natural. So I really do like this wig. I also have it in a number 2, and I'm going to show you guys that in a second. As far as shedding goes, I am getting shedding, but as you can see, I tweezed the hairline a lot, so that's where that's coming from. This wig is so short, I doubt I will get any tangling for months and months. I don't think I'm going to have that issue for a while. And of course, I don't wear my wigs every day, so my wigs last like a long time, sometimes like a couple years. This was big head friendly. Now the shine, I feel like this has a pretty good natural luster to it. It might look like it has a little bit of shine, but I'm directly in front of like 3 lights right now. So I'm gonna insert pictures of what it looks like in natural lighting. I feel like it looks pretty natural. The density, I feel like this is a lightweight wig. It's not thin though. I don't feel tracks. This is a lightweight wig. It's very like flowy, has great body and layers in it. And I'm gonna give you guys a 360 so you see how it looks. I think this is very, very beautiful, and I am here for this color. I guess I could say I would like it just to be a little bit longer, but I think this cute crop style is just, it's just sassy and just cute. A throw on and go kind of wig. I did not have to adhere the lace down with any of the Got to Be Glued freeze spray like I normally do with my synthetic wigs and my human hair wigs as well. I didn't have to do that. I didn't use my Got to Be Glued in this bottle either. For my edges, I used my edge booster that I got from my local beauty supply store, and it has my edges like just laid down right. And I really like this edge booster, so if you are interested in this, just go to your beauty supply store and check if they have it. It's $3.99. It was $3.99 at my local beauty supply store, but online it's a little bit more expensive. But if you don't care about that, I'll try to put a link down below for you guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna switch into the number 2 and show you guys what that looks like. Alright guys, so here is Talia in a number 2, and I think it's just so beautiful. This is a really nice wig, really nice wig. Now with this one, I did, you know, tweeze the hairline just like with the other one, but I did not flat iron the ends. Now I know that can be, bump ends can kind of be a little bit matronly or can make you look dated a little bit, but with this one I feel like it complements the wig, so it's just up to you what you decide. But sometimes like really strong bumps, they just look kind of dated. So yeah, I think this wig is so pretty, and this looks like somebody that has healthy natural hair that's been like pressed. And I really love these layers in the wig. So if you are interested in Talia, I'll leave some links down below to different websites where you can purchase it. I believe I got mine from Wig Types because it was $14, and I don't think other websites had it for $14, but you know, $14, that's crazy. Like, synthetic wigs already are very inexpensive, but $14, I got 2 really nice wigs for $28. Of course you have to pay for shipping, which is like $10 or $11. Wig Types, their shipping is pretty high. So yeah, I'll leave different links down below to where you guys can purchase it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think you guys will. I think this is kind of what you guys enjoy seeing on my channel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notifications because I have a ton of videos coming for you, especially like in February. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.